Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. And what we do here is a lot of makeup related stuff. We do makeup unboxings, makeup looks, makeup tutorials. Sometimes we'll do a makeup review. And today we're doing another unboxing, which is the Ipsy Glam bag. It's the regular bag for August. It is $12 a month. They do have 3 different bags you can choose from. They have the regular bag, which is this one. Then you get 5 deluxe size samples and a cute bag. And then they have the plus, which is $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products and a medium-sized bag. And then, finally, they have the Ipsy Ultimate for $50 a month. In total, you receive 12 products, 8 being full size, 4 are deluxe size samples, and you get a big makeup bag. My eyes are not cooperating today with me. They're like allergies are up so high where I live. My eyes are watering, and I'm just trying to get through it. Okay, so this is the bag. It's like hollow. I like it. The Ultimate was like a pink hollow bag. And I like these. I love the color. I think they're really cute. Here's the little zipper. It says Ipsy. So I really like the bags this month. Now, being this month was a new thing with Ipsy. On Ipsy Plus, you did get to pick 3 items. And they're going to have like a reusable bag or something like that. So I don't know how that's going to go. I don't believe I got a card in my bag. That's kind of, no, there it is. Okay. Here is the card. The future is yours is the theme this month. And I don't think the cards tell us anything about our bags anymore. So we don't need that. And the first product I see, and I know I'm going to love this. So this is the Ofra. I know it's Ofra by the way it looks. It looks like a blush. Ofra highlighters are my favorite. So this is the Ofra Blush in Bellin. It is a beautiful color. I don't have this one, so we will try to swatch it. I don't know. So it is a pretty color. So I like that. And this, I'm going to say, is a full-size product. That is what I like about Ipsy. Even though they say you get deluxe size samples, you sometimes, like with the Ofra highlighters and the blush and stuff, and some other products, you will get full-size products, even on like lipsticks, eyeliners, and just different random things. Okay, so our next product is Endless Silky Eye Pen, Pixie by Petra. And it is in the color Matte Mulberry. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but now where I come from, mulberry is like a purplish color. Mulberry is a fruit, and when I think of mulberry, if I had to think of a color, I would think of like a deep dark purple going into like a black. I love to eat mulberries. They are really good. I like to have my own mulberry tree one day. I cannot get it open. But I do like Pixie products. They are really good. You can get Pixie at Target and stuff like this. So this is not one of their higher end to luxury brands. Like the Ofra would be a higher brand than this. But they are a good brand. So it is got like, it's like a purplish brown. So I do like that. And it's supposed to be matte, so I like that. Next product is Ibby Beauty Flower Child. This is a Lush eyeshadow. I've tried a lot of Ipsy Beauty stuff. I do like them. So it is right here. And here is the shade. Really, really pretty. Really like that. So you can use this as an eyeshadow. You could use it as a highlighter if you wanted to. Just whatever. So I do like that. I like when you get something like this that's like in a single pan that you can use for different things, because this girl don't want to pack a bunch of stuff around, and if something like this, I can throw in the bag and use it as to do highlighting, brows, inner corner, even throw it some on my lids. So I do like it. Hey Honey is the next brand. This is the Trick and Treat Lip Balm, Watermelon Balm with Natural Tint. And we're getting 5 milliliters in this little tube. So, right here it is. Yeah, I got a lot out. Let me, leave some on my hand. I can smell the watermelon as soon as I got it close. Okay. So, it smells like watermelon candy. So, I like that. I'm kind of getting hoarse. I was yelling a lot yesterday, and every time I yell, it's like I get myself hoarse. Okay. It Cosmetics. I love It Cosmetics. They got some really incredible skin cream. If you haven't tried it, it's something you should try. They got the Confidence in a Cream. It is, like, really, really good stuff. And I have, like, lost that. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is the Confidence in Your Cream Beauty Sleep. This is with Skin Transforming Pillow Cream. It's Rest and Restore technology. It's for all skin types. I don't know. When I see a jar like this, I don't know. When I see like this color anymore, I think retinol. I'm not saying it has retinol in it, but that's what I think. Because a lot of stuff is coming out with retinol in it, and it seems like they're always doing this shade. So, I don't really see the ingredients. I guess we'd have to look it up for ourselves. Okay. So, this is a night cream. It is like purple. But they do have like the Confidence in the Cream. I've got the face wash. I've got the, I've went through a couple jars of the, just the cream. And I absolutely love it. Right here it is. It feels really, really good. It's got like a slight scent to it. Nothing like overpowering or anything like that. It's like I already tampering away. That's the way I want my skincare to be. I want it like, if it's going to have a scent to it, I want it to smell good initially, but then I want it to fade away. I don't want to smell it. The thing ain't full, but it is a deluxe size sample. And we did get like 2 full-size products. We did get the Ofra blush, and we did get the Pixie eyeliner, and we did get a lot of lip balm in this, so I'm not like going to complain. And that is it for the bag. On the inside of the bag, it is like this grayish color, and right here is their logo. So I really, really like the bag. This month, let me see. You know, I'm going to give them like a 5 out of 5. I never do that. But this month I think I will, because this right here is a full-size product. Here is another like full-size product. And I will get a lot of use out of these. I will try this and see if I like it. It's not really enough to see if it's really going to work for my skin or not. Because you're going to have to use skincare for at least 6 weeks, sometimes longer, to really see if it's going to work for you. So with this, you're really not going to know if it's going to work for you or not. I will use the Honey Lip Balm. And I know I will use this if I don't break it first. So I really do like everything I got. Nothing really to complain about. They done a variety. You know, I got some skincare. I got some makeup and stuff like that. I did not like my ultimate box this month. I did get some great products in it. I'm not complaining about them, but I don't think getting all skincare in your box is something anybody wants. So I'm not really happy about that. I would rather have a variety. You're getting 12 products. They could at least do half of them, like, come on, give us 6 makeup items instead of getting us 8 eyeliner, and that's it. So I didn't like it for that. And skincare is only good for 6 months to 12 months, sometimes not even that long. So I don't really, and I got 2 masks, 2 clay masks. Come on, I don't need that many at one time. I'm just saying, you know, I don't like the way they done it. Which, like this, you know, I got a variety of things and I liked it better. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will leave the link down below for Ipsy if you'd like to try it for yourself. But I guess that is it. And I will see you on the next one. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And bye for now.